Struggling to lose weight but hate dieting or hitting the gym? You're not alone. What if I told you that science-backed lifestyle habits, not calorie counting, could help you shed pounds effortlessly? Here are 9 proven ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. Stick around. Number 9 is a game change. 1. Chew slowly, eat mindfully. Chewing your food thoroughly and eating slowly helps your brain realize when you're full. Slow eaters naturally consume fewer calories and feel fuller longer. Try counting your chews. It really works. 2. Use smaller plates for high-cal foods. Size matters when it comes to your plate. Smaller plates can trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less food. Save the big plates for veggies and salad, and keep high-calorie foods on smaller ones. 3. Add more protein to your meals. Protein keeps you full, curbs cravings, and boosts your metabolism. Swap your cereal breakfast with eggs or Greek yogurt for a power-packed start to the day. 4. Cook at home more often. Restaurant meals are often loaded with hidden calories. Cooking at home means more control and more nutritious choices. Plus, it's easier on your wallet too. 5. Load up on fiber. Fiber keeps you full and slows digestion, helping you snack less. Add beans, oats, oranges, and flax seeds to your plate for that extra boost. 6. Hydrate smartly. Drinking water before meals can reduce hunger and cut down calorie intake. Pro tip: replace sugary drinks with water, lime soda, or unsweetened tea. 7. No distractions during meals. Ditch the screens while you eat. When you're distracted, you tend to overeat. Focus on your food and you'll be surprised how much less you need. 8. Sleep well, stress less. Lack of sleep and chronic stress mess up hunger hormones. Aim for 7+ hours of sleep and find ways to relax. Your waistline will thank you. 9. Cut sugary drinks. Sodas and sweet juices pack in hidden calories. Swap them with water or unsweetened drinks. Over time, this one switch alone can help drop serious weight. So, there you have it, 9 science-backed ways to lose weight effortlessly without a single burpee or calorie log. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy hacks.